Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about HoneyBook, a popular platform for freelancers and small business owners. Specifically, I'm going to be answering the question, can you sell on HoneyBook? I know that a lot of people are interested in using HoneyBook to sell their services, but they're not sure if it's the right platform for them. So, in this video, I'm going to break down the pros and cons of selling on HoneyBook and help you decide if it's the right fit for you. Before I get into the nitty-gritty, I want to share a quick story with you. A few years ago, I was a struggling freelancer. I was constantly chasing down clients and sending out proposals, but I wasn't having much luck. Then, I discovered HoneyBook, and within a few months, my business was booming. I was getting more clients, and I was making more money than ever before. So, if you're looking for a way to grow your business, I highly recommend checking out HoneyBook. Now, let's get into the details of selling on HoneyBook. Pros of selling on HoneyBook. Easy to use. HoneyBook is a very user-friendly platform. It's easy to set up your profile, create proposals, and track your clients. Professional. HoneyBook gives you a professional edge. It's a great way to showcase your work and attract high-quality clients. Time-saving. HoneyBook can save you a lot of time by automating many of the tasks involved in running a business. Affordable. HoneyBook offers a variety of pricing plans to fit your budget. Cons of selling on HoneyBook. Not free. HoneyBook is not a free platform. You will need to pay a monthly subscription fee to use it. Limited customization. HoneyBook offers a limited amount of customization. You can't change the look and feel of your website or proposals. Not suitable for all businesses. HoneyBook is not a good fit for all businesses. If you're in a niche market, or if you don't need a lot of the features that HoneyBook offers, you may be better off using a different platform. Is HoneyBook right for you? Now that you know the pros and cons of selling on HoneyBook, you can decide if it's the right platform for you. Here are a few things to consider. Your budget. If you're on a tight budget, HoneyBook may not be the right choice for you. Your niche. If you're in a niche market, HoneyBook may not be able to meet your needs. Your level of experience. If you're new to freelancing, HoneyBook can be a great way to get started. However, if you're more experienced, you may want to consider a different platform. If you're still not sure if HoneyBook is right for you, I recommend taking a free trial. This will give you a chance to test out the platform and see if it meets your needs. Overall, I think HoneyBook is a great platform for freelancers and small business owners. It's easy to use, professional, and time-saving. However, it's not for everyone. If you're on a tight budget or if you're in a niche market, you may want to consider a different platform. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to check out my other videos for more tips on how to grow your business. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. I hope this script is helpful.